guys, good evening. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kimone. I would like you to subscribe and also hit the notifications bell because I'm coming with the information that entrepreneurs should know. Also, if you do learn anything from my video, please like and share. All right, so let's hop right into it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to print your lash packaging labels on the Avery Clear paper. Also, you're going to learn how to make multiple lash names on one sheet of paper instead of having to print out multiple sheets and wasting your money because we're on budgets, okay? So the reason why I came up with this technique is because on my current lash package, I don't need my logo. I just need the name of my lash. And I didn't see anyone really doing that. And also, I see everybody using white paper, and I wanted mine to look a little bit more transparent. So I'm using the clear paper. So yeah, if you want to learn how I do this, please stay tuned. So let's jump right into it. We're going to go through the Avery website, and we're going to use the template 4222. So once you're on the website, just type in the template name and then select design. Once you're on the design screen, select a blank design. I am not uploading a photo, so I'm just going to use their text option. And from here, I'm going to select the font style that I'd like to use. Once I've located the font style, I'm just going to go ahead and type in the lash name that I selected. I'm going to go ahead and customize it to my liking and try to center it as much as possible. Once I feel that it's been centered, I'll go ahead and select preview. Now in preview, I'm going to select the amount of lashes that I will need, the amount of labels I will need for that lash type. From here, I just needed 25. So I selected 1 through 25. And then I printed that out. So it's going to give you a PDF file. So once you get to the PDF file, you're going to go ahead and just put down your sheet of paper. You just want to do one sheet at a time. And then it will print exactly like the preview. So here is a mistake that I made. I clicked on 25 when I went to do my second group. So keep in mind that if you end with 25 or however much it is, skip over that last number. So go to 26, feed the paper back into your printer, and then print out your second or third label. So here is an example. I'm going to go back through it again. So I didn't save my file with them. I just went back to the design page and I just backspaced the last name, entered the new lash name, preview, and printed it out again on the same sheet of paper. I did this 3 times. So I have 3 different lash names on here. You could do as many lash names as you like. If you have 80 lash names, you could do 80 lash names. However many of them that you need. Here's an example of the third group that I did. And here's a couple samples of what they look like on my packaging. This is real budget friendly tip for me. I really hope it helps someone. If you need any assistance, just shoot me an email and I'll be more than glad to help you out. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a good day.